Today, I don't want to paint. Instead, I'm here to say thank you for the love you awesome people gave me from day one till this moment. I never thought one day I will have a YouTube channel on watercolor with 100,000 subscribers. I never thought people will like my work so much and learn from it and even call me the best teacher ever. So you see, all this feels like a dream and I never want to wake up. It's been quite a journey on this platform, lots of ups and downs in my personal life, which I believe never showed up in my videos. Every single day I kept going no matter what the situation is because I know someone is waiting for my videos. Reaching 100 subscribers was really easy. It just took me 707 videos, a little bit of blood and sweat, 4 years of hard work, patience and perseverance. And that's it. Having a YouTube channel is a blessing because every day you wake up, you are on a mission to create something that's worth watching. From here, I'll stop talking. So grab your cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it means a lot to me. And once again, from the core of my heart, thank you.